Hello, everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you as well as show you how to change the video quality in Facebook application. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also please write your comments. Well, let us be with you friends. Let's get started. And please open up the Facebook app on your device. After that, go to the menu section. Now click on the gear at the top. And then you're going to need to scroll through the settings a little bit and find the section called Media. Go into it. Now you will need to do literally two simple things. The first is please turn on optimization. And you're also going to need to, friends, turn on the option to never play video auto. And that way you can change the quality of the video in the Facebook app. I hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.